Hi and welcome to Clappia. In this video, we shall understand how to add workflows and the options available under it. What you're looking at is an application which has certain instructions for the end user. It collects information about the customer like his name, contact number, email address, date of purchase, time of purchase, and the product he purchased. And then I have a summary of the purchase. I have made videos in which I have explained how to add a logo into your application and also to add instructions into your application. I would request that you watch the video named Text, HTML and Embedding Block. Let me go ahead and edit this application. Once I click on Edit App, you would see Design App, Configuration and Workflows. Workflows gets initiated based on triggers. Basically, a series of activities starts when a condition is met. The series of activities and the triggers can be set by the user as per their business needs. There are three types of triggers: new submission flow, edit submission flow, review submission flow. New submissions: when any user submits some data, I want a series of activities to start. Edit submission flow: when any user edits a submission that is already created. Review submission flow: when the reviewer or admins change the status of any submission. Based on any of these triggers or all of them, I can start a series of activities. Let's go ahead and click on Start. Once we do so, you would see a list of options. You can choose any option as per your business needs. Let us say I click on Email as of now. Once I do so, on the right panel, you would see options to configure the email. You can add more workflows depending on your business needs. There are videos made for all of these options. I would request you to watch them to understand each of these options better. That's it for this video. In this video, we have understood how to add workflows into your application, what are triggers, and how to configure a trigger on the right panel. If you have any further questions, you can always chat with us or schedule a call and we would call you back to help you further. Thank you very much for your patience. Goodbye.